Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay, and in this video we have the Philips Smart Wi-Fi LED 9W E27 bulb. So let's unbox this beast and quickly review it on the tech show. Without further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is the Philips Night Wall bulb box. As you can see, nice purple box with a simple layout, with the app or voice it can be controlled. So the Wiz is the app where all the magic happens. Now it is available on the Google Play Store as well as Apple App Store. So it works with the iPhone and iPad. So it clearly says that download the app, install the bulb, pair the light, and you are ready to rock. As you can see, nice representation. As you can see, smart lighting made easy. Also, this is using the Wiz app and not the Hue app. So as you can see, the price quoted here is 1,999 and I got it from Amazon for $899 and the country of origin is China. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Let's see what's in the top of the lid. I'm trying to remove it, but it's not happening. Probably it should be sealed. So let's try to break the seal or find where the seal is. And as you can see from bottom, it is open. That's surprising. There should be some kind of seal because this is a new box, right? As you can see, the bulb inside it in the nice cardboard tray. So this is the nice white color bulb. So there is no color options. There is only white color bulb. As you can see, Philips Wiz connected light, and the build quality is really good. It's surprising. So that's what you have. There's nothing inside the box other than another tray. So surprisingly, there is no instruction manual, so all the instructions are on the box itself, so they can't bundle it. So this actually is the E27 holder. So the E27 is a screw layout. It also comes with the B22 option, but this is what I wanted. So I will use it for quite a while now and we will come up with a full review. So let's get started. So guys, this is my general setup. So this is the Philips 9V smart LED bulb, and now it's almost a month and I'm using this device. I'm really happy with this bulb. Now first of all, let's talk about the brightness. So brightness is very good. The contrast, the hue is excellent. The only con here is the pairing process, which is not at all good. We have made a video on it. You can watch that video. It kind of helps to simplify the process, to fix the error via the manual process and stuff. So you can watch that video if you're buying this device. Now other thing is that right now it is in the focus mode with the 50% brightness. So if I'm using my laptop or something on the desk, the general mode, I keep this in relax mode, which is a kind of the mix of white and orange. So it's not dark orange, but it's a little bit of, I think, 1% of orange mixed with the white color, and it feels really good with the 50% brightness because this bulb is very much bright. And now this is not the general, I mean this is the general use, but this is not why I bought this bulb. So in the earlier video of the Philips bulb, I promised that I will share the real reason why I bought this. And also this lamp, because this lamp is bought separately, and I will let you know why I did that and from where I bought it. So first of all, as you can see, the brightness is good, but if you I won't speak in lumens because you can definitely read the specification page on their website and stuff. So for example, this room, as you can see, so this bulb kind of fills the 50% of this room. Now I have this tube light as well as this bulb on, and this is also a Philips non-smart LED bulb. So this is Philips smart, this is non-smart, and guess what, surprisingly this brightness is greater than this one. Now I will let you know the reason. This is what I suspect. So let's get on the desktop and let's go to the website first. Okay, so this is how the old LED and the new LED is. This is the conventional LED, which is generally this one, and this is my assumption, guys. I'm not sure whether this is right, but as you can see, the circuit board is at the bottom and the LED package or the LED light is in the top. Okay, so it gives nice light, but this is what we are right now. So the LED bulbs are arranged above the circuit is arranged above the LED packages to keep the low temperature. So again, this doesn't heat up that much like that bulb, and that's the reason I think that is this convention method and this is the new bulb. As well as when the circuit port and LED are on the same port, you get a lot of empty space here to have more smart features, more circuits, so that you have a processor which process the data incoming from your Android or iOS device and then show it up on the LED bulb. Now see, this is how it kind of looks like. Now I don't know which bulb this is, but you know, the LED area of light is here and the circuit board is here. Of course this is Philips brand, so probably the PCB and SMD components will be of good quality. So I assume there are more SMD lights compared to this one, because this produces more light and it produces color light. Now when you're using the colors, the light is not as bright as the white one, but other than that, it's really good. Now the second usage of this bulb when I'm using is for Zoom calls. So let me first switch this off right now. As you can see, so this lamp is very useful, and let's launch camera on my laptop. For example, I'm using Zoom calls or I'm maybe recording a video. As you can see, it's bright here, so it is kind of dark, you know. So my face is not that clear and the light is very less. So what I do is I face this towards the wall and I turn on this in full brightness mode. So now you can see the difference right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. You can see the difference, how good it is. So it kind of changed the whole environment. It creates nice view. It makes this rubbish camera very good. You can see the colors are popping up. It's good. Like, it's good for Zoom calls. So if you're planning for desk setup for Zoom call, this is way to go. This is really nice. I will let me show you again with the lights off. As you can see, it's so dark. Now actually the laptop light is coming to my camera. That's why you're getting this over brighted part. But actually, let me show you. By default, it's dark. As you can see, yeah, this is how it looks like. By default, if you see, this is dark, and if I turn the light on towards the wall, you can see the difference. It's very good. And if you focus it towards yourself, it could be more brighter, but this looks artificial, so it's better you focus it on the wall behind you, and this way you have a zoom camera. Really good. Now I will show you my real setup, the why I bought this and lamp, in the next part. So let's get started. So guys, this is the main reason why I bought this Philips LED bulb. So if you know, I shoot videos, mostly do unboxings and app reviews. So for that, as you can see, it's very dark right now. And if I just turn this light on, I turn it on full brightness, and you can definitely see the difference right here. It's well lit, it's well in the focus. I can zoom it a while and it just stays in focus as well. So even this is a very old phone, this is the Redmi Note 4, and is able to shoot better videos because of a proper lighting. Now you will say you should have an umbrella lights. Again, I don't have enough space here to have umbrella lights, so I was earlier using the Chinese branded Apple logo crafted white lamp. I will share the photo if I have, but that was rubbish because it died in 6 months, and I was looking for alternate because it was bright. I thought this is necessary because I see real difference in my earlier videos as well as videos with the light, so that kind of make a real difference as you can see. Now of course I bought this desk lamp holder from local shop. Actually my plan was to buy this Philips LED bulb which cost 899 rupees, and the Ikea TERTIAL lamp which was at 999. I ordered from Ikea.in, but sadly it didn't deliver and they refunded my money back. So there I was having no option other than to go to local shop and buy something cheap. So this is what I bought. This cost just 300 rupees. This is nice. You can actually bend it, or it's really useful. Also, you have this clamp, which if you want to mount it, you can definitely mount it as well. Now, as you can see, it is very loose, and first I have to turn it off. As you can see, it's okay, sorry, I'm back. So as you can see, it's not the best quality. Of course, if you can buy the Ikea one, it will be great. You can mount it anywhere. Now, my desk width is very much, so this clamp actually doesn't fit, and the head is very loose, so even if I try to put it here, the head gonna roll here and there, which will make it out of focus. That's why I keep it here. Simple as that. Now, initially I was planning to buy a desk lamp, a real desk lamp. So MI has a desk lamp which cost 1,999, and because I have used a lot of Xiaomi products in past, I'm assured about their quality. I also have the Mi Motion activated smart light too. It's also really good. So I was assuming that I'm gonna buy that, but then Techstar Shahrukh reach out to me, say, why you just bought a smart bulb and then you attach in a desk lamp, which will give you say more options, like you have an app to control the lights. And I will show you, it's really useful to have lights in the video. It creates a cool effect that you will see in our future videos. So that's good as well. That's why I went this. Now, of course, I'm planning to get the Ikea TERTIAL lamp anytime soon if I can get it delivered, or maybe someday after 3 to 4 months, maybe they were able to deliver it, because I don't think so this will last longer. This is plastic build. So I'm gonna change it. But the best thing about this setup is having say 899 rupees lamp or having a desk lamp separate. For 1200 rupees, I got real bright light, which is multi-purpose, as you can see, for YouTube setup, for desk lamp setup, for the Zoom call setup, as well as it has 2 years of warranty. And on the box you can see lasts up to 10 years. And also this is an E27 socket. So you can also buy the B22. Generally our homes, this one is actually the B22. Which is for 849 rupees, and this is the E27, the screw one, which is 899 rupees. So make sure you buy the B22 if you're planning to use it as a home. If you have some kind of desk lamp like this, if you're planning to buy a desk lamp, make sure which holder it has, because most of the desk lamp like this has an E27. Let me show you if my camera can focus. As you can see, E27 max 40 watt. So I can go up to 40 watt in the socket. I don't think so it can handle that 40 watt, because even with this 9 volt, as you can see, and I shake it, it was falling off. So that's also, I have 3 modes here. So if I turn it 1, 2, it will turn this yellowish mode, warm mode, and third it will turn my default relax mode. No, the relax mode is actually 4th. This is cozy mode, I guess. No, this is cozy mode, that is relax mode. Okay, it's confusing, but you can use the Viz app. The only con I think is the Viz app pairing process, because the Viz app is really good, but the pairing process is not that good. Also, you can't control the modes of life. For example, this cozy mode, cool mode with the Google Assistant or Alexa. And I think Xiaomi bulb would do that. So if you're planning, say if you don't want to hassle around with the pairing process, just want to work, if you're using for decoration purposes, definitely you can have a look at Mi LED smart bulb. The only con there is the 6 months of warranty versus 2 years. So if you want something long lasting, some really good branded bulb. Now all my bulbs in my home is Philips, so I went with this. I'm really happy with my purchase. I will leave the Amazon links in the description below if you want to check that out. Well, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.